10 Genius DIY Natural Skincare Hacks for Glowing Skin. Today, we'll be sharing 10 genius DIY natural skincare hacks for glowing skin. So if you're ready, let's get started. Hack 1, Olive Oil Cleanser. Mix olive oil with a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a gentle and effective cleanser. Massage it into your skin, then wipe away with a warm cloth for a natural hydration boost. Hack 2, Cucumber Eye Depuffer. Slice a chilled cucumber and place the slices over your eyes for a refreshing and depuffing effect. Leave them on for 10 minutes and say goodbye to tired-looking eyes. Hack 3, Coffee Grounds Exfoliator. Save your coffee grounds and mix them with a bit of honey for a natural exfoliator. Gently scrub your face in circular motions to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Hack 4, Honey and Lemon Face Mask. Mix equal parts honey and lemon juice for a rejuvenating face mask. Apply it to your skin and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off. Your skin will thank you. Hack 5, Aloe Vera Spot Treatment. Dab a small amount of pure aloe vera gel onto any blemishes or red spots. Its soothing properties will calm your skin and reduce inflammation. Hack 6, Green Tea Toner. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Transfer to a spray bottle and spritz onto your face for a refreshing and antioxidant-rich toner. Hack 7, Coconut Oil Lip Balm. Melt some coconut oil and mix it with a bit of beeswax for a nourishing lip balm. Apply it regularly to keep your lips hydrated and soft. Hack 8, Oatmeal Face Mask. Grind rolled oats into a fine powder and mix with warm water or yogurt for a soothing face mask. Apply it to your skin and relax for 15 minutes. The oats will calm and moisturize your skin. Hack 9, Avocado Hair Mask. Mash a ripe avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply this mixture to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing for luscious and hydrated locks. Hack 10, Rosewater Setting Spray. Mix equal parts rosewater and witch hazel in a spray bottle. Spritz it on your face after applying makeup to set it and give your skin a natural, healthy glow. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed these genius DIY natural skincare hacks. Give them a try and let us know your favorite in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing beauty tips and tricks.